right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What are we going to talk about today? Ran into an interesting problem out in the garage. I needed to connect two vacuum hoses together. I had one coming off of my bandsaw, and I wanted to hook it up to the shop vac, but I didn't have that connection. So I didn't want to run out to Home Depot, Lowe's, or anything like that and spend money to buy a simple connection, because it would have taken me a very long length of time between driving out there, getting it, and then driving back. So I came up with a creative idea. I'm going to change a picture, show you what I did. You can do this too at home out of scrap wood. Give me one sec. Okay, so here's a picture, and I took this off of the web. I thought it was a good idea. So I just used what I had is I had a 4x4, and I just used a hole saw, and I drilled in from both sides and knocked the plug out of it. You could use a Forstner bit or any other way, to create that hole. It doesn't have to be the same size all the way through, but in the very beginning on both ends, you're going to have to make it the same size as that vacuum tube. Slip it into each end, flip the switch on, voila, you got vacuum, and it works perfectly fine, and it's easy to put away. So save money. I didn't have to go out and buy it. It was an interesting idea. I thought I'd make an interesting video. I would share it with everybody. It's kind of your quick tip of the day. You can do this at home. If you don't do it right away, keep in the back of your mind. And when you run across that problem, all you're going to have to do, grab that scrap piece of wood, I would use a hole saw, and begin to, cut out the diameter here on both ends. But you can use, like a spade bit or something to go all the way through it. If it's just sawdust, if you're going to do anything bigger, of course, you're going to want to make the hole that large as the tube all the way through. But I didn't do that. I just made the opening to where I could fit it in on both ends. And I think I used 1.5 or 1 3/4. I don't remember now. It could have even been 2-inch spade bit. One of the large ones that I had anyway, and I finished drilling the hole through. It worked fine for the project, that, like I told you, I was working on. I will by morning, make that hole going all the way through much larger than that, but this was just a quick solution, quick fix. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you like these quick, fast tips where I get right to the point with no long intros, let me know so I don't tie up your time. So I hope that works. All right, I'm the Home Handyman. I'll see you folks again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.